Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Pandit, and this is Mrs. Pandit. So today we are gonna be watching Ramaraju for Bhim intro RRR movie. So already we have seen the motion poster of RRR movie, and that was phenomenal, that was outstanding and superbly done. So this one is the intro. Okay, Bhim का intro जो है वो. So we have NTR, Ramcharan, Ajay Devgan sir and Alia Bhatt. So yes, I am very much excited, and already this video is like sensational now throughout the internet, throughout YouTube. So I am very much eager to see the first look of Bhim intro scene. So let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
तूफानी समंदर भी जिसके आगे खामोश हो जाए,
वाव.
हर सरताज जिसके आगे सर झुकाए, लहराते झंडे पर है जिसको नाज, बाहों में ताकत, आंखें जैसे बाज, धरती की जाति का लाल, जंगल का दुलाल, मेरा भाई मेरा यार, गोंड का अहंकार, कुमुरम भीम.
My goodness. Okay, I'm just in that motion only. He was looking like a hero, real hero of jungle, and his physique, man, he has worked out, I think, a lot for this movie, particularly for this character, and it was very suitable with the background music and the appearances of Bhim, of NTR sir. It was outstanding. Obviously we have some graphics going on, we have some animation going on, but it was not looking unreal, it was looking absolutely real. And just like the way he was coming, the way his shoulder and everything, broadened shoulder are spreading, he was pulling something, and he was looking like a real hero of jungle. And he is having one, a little bit simplicity in his face, but yet he is very powerful and very much elegant. His whole character was looking very like upstandard and very much very meaningful character, I think. Okay, like his face is very natural, बहुत सादापन है उनके face में, but yet he is looking very strengthy and very powerful a person. Okay, and also जो जंगल का situation था, जो वो गले में एक पहने, फिर आँख में डाले काजल, and also he was like putting the that thing जो मोहम्मदन लोग पहनते हैं. So he was looking very सादा सीधा kind of person, but लगता है ना कि बहुत ज़्यादा सादा सीधा पर्सन के अंदर भी बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ जमा हुआ रहता है, वेरी मच स्टोरिंग इनसाइड हिज ब्रेन, इनसाइड हिज हार्ट, अ लॉट ऑफ हिडन थिंग्स. सो इट वाज लुकिंग लाइक एब्सोल्युटली लाइक दैट, एंड दिस कैरेक्टर आई थिंक इज गोना बी माई फेवरेट कैरेक्टर, बिकॉज this kind of character, it's very interesting, and a lot of stories are there behind this kind of character. The scenic beauty of whole the atmosphere and ambiences, it was looking like beautiful. And वो सीनरी के बीच में जो एनटीआर सर का एंट्री था, that was like the cherry on the top of the cake. Okay, so I really enjoyed it. It was, I can see it several times, millions time. Okay, like off camera of course, and I really enjoyed it. Like मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि ये मूवी क्या होने वाला है. This movie is going to be a top class movie of that year. Okay, क्योंकि एस एस राजामौली सर है, तो हम एक्सपेक्ट कर ही सकते हैं कि जो हम सोच रहे हैं उससे भी ज़्यादा आगे ये मूवी निकल जाए। ओके, हम सोच रहे हैं कि ये मूवी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होने वाला है, लेकिन क्या पता इससे भी ज़्यादा, मतलब कोई सोच ही ना सका होगा ऐसा टाइप का इंडियन हिस्ट्री में ये मूवी निकल जाए। ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी ये मूवी को लेके बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेज़ है, पीपल आर क्रेजिंग अबाउट RRR मूवी एंड ऑल ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स आर सो इंटरेस्टिंग, ओके, वेरी मीनिंगफुल एंड very realistic at the same time, so people can definitely relate their life, their small incidences and everything with their characters. So I really enjoyed it, and it is a 10 on 10. I cannot wait myself to see the original trailer and the original movie. I hope this is going to be soon in this year only, but we don't know because of this pandemic situation. But yes, definitely it is a 10 on 10. Okay, performance and like NTR sir, you rocked it. Okay, you rocked it. I am already fan of NTR sir's acting. His body is somewhat like, his body is a little bit different, okay, to be very frank. He is not having that much lean kind of personality, but I really like, because his personality very very much suitable with his body and with his appearances. That is what I'm trying to say. And this Bhim character is very much suitable because Bhim का वही होता है कि appearances itself is मतलब स्ट्रॉन्ग, बहुत स्ट्रेंदी, एक गुस्सा रहता है आँख में, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम आँख बहुत शांत, फेस बहुत शांत एंड सरलता रहता है, ओके, सिंप्लिसिटी रहता है, काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट. सो येस, आई डेफिनेटली एंजॉयड. एंड ऑल्सो जस्ट लेट मी नो हाउ यू थिंक अबाउट दिस video, total entire video. Just comment down below. And yeah, now this is the time to read the comments for today. So the first comment is very funny, and so Kuldeep Singh, he is commenting, your channel name is promoting casteism, change it please. And he is commenting on haunted reaction from Round to Hell. So promoting casteism, I know why you are telling that, because Mr. and Mrs. Pandit, but Pandit is our surname. Okay, we are not promoting anything, we are not Pandits, we are not Kashmiri Pandits, we are not any sort of Pandit. This is our surname. Like बहुत लोगों का सरनेम होता है ना, गुप्ता, शर्मा, बैनर्जी, मुखर्जी इन बंगालीज एंड व्हाट नॉट, बहुत सारे सरनेम्स होते हैं. तो इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक नॉर्मल सरनेम. सो मिस्टर एंड मिसेस पंडित, माई सरनेम इज दत्ता, बट आई एम मैरिड टू अभय पंडित. सो दैट इज वाई माई नेम इज Anindita Datta Pandit and his name is Abhay Pandit. So that is why Mr. and Mrs. Pandit. So it is not promoting casteism, it is our name only. And I don't think that if people are using their names along with the surname, that is promoting any sort of criticism or casteism. Okay, so yeah. So the second comment for today's video is from Mayank Singh, and he is commenting, ma'am please react on the time freeze Round to Hell. Yes, time freeze के लिए बहुत सारे रिक्वेस्ट आए हैं ऑलरेडी. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी, लेकिन हाँ, मतलब राउंड टू हेल का वीडियोज़ इन दिनों थोड़ा कम हो रहा है, लेकिन डेफिनेटली टाइम फ्रीज, फिर बहुत सारे हैं, हॉरर हाउस, ये सब आप लोग बहुत बार रिक्वेस्ट कर चुके हो, और भी बहुत सारे हैं, नॉट दिस टू ओनली. तो हम करेंगे बहुत जल्दी एंड आप लोग के साथ शेयर करेंगे. बहुत मज़े आने वाले हैं, मुझे पता है, क्योंकि राउंड टू हेल के सारे वीडियोस बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ेदार है. एंड trust me, I cannot wait myself to see. Okay, so very soon it is going to come on this channel. And yeah, thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos. Okay, so the third comment for today's video is from Shan Mugham, and he is commenting, please react Indian historic web series Tamil Tamizi. Don't worry, that video have subtitles. It will help to know history of entire India with some interesting segments. Yes, I know Tamizi is a channel where they put all of the ancient histories of India, all of the cultivations, like old times cultivations, crops, their food habits, okay, the languages, and the Dev Devi worships and everything. This kind of stuff they used to put, and they put actually in their channel. And I'm extremely proud to admit this thing, that it is a very good way to nurture India's history, and to talk about India's history, because so many of you don't know about India's history, how India used to be at the ancient time and how India is now this time. So we can differentiate between the two times. So it is very important actually to know. And yes, definitely we have already done one Tamizi video, and that I liked a lot, and definitely we have a plan to give more reactions from Tamizi. And I know that this video is having subtitles. Tamizi, all of the Tamizi videos are having subtitles, so better. Okay, so yes, thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos, and we will be definitely doing Tamizi videos very soon. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.